my name is Erica from BrazilianBelle, and today we're going to talk about a very great product. It's called Bikini Body Tea. So, have you ever heard about what detox tea does? Well, I'm going to explain that right now, okay? So, detox tea has become very popular in recent years for the ability of increasing the energy levels, releasing toxins, reducing bloating, and boosting the immune system, which is very important. And plus, you will lose weight on the process. So, the real question here is, does the Bikini Body Tea work? Well, my answer is yes, it does work. So, there are a lot of different types of toxins. The first one are cigarettes, chemicals, fecal matter, parasites, alcohol, and even more. So our Bikini Body Tea helps to get rid of all those toxins caused by the buildup because of unhealthy food, alcohol, and a number of other things. So that way your body will properly perform its function, which is releasing the bad toxins. So your body needs to become very constant in the detoxification process. That way the body can absorb the correct nutrients that will improve your digestive system. So in this case, this is the product, Bikini Body Tea. As you can see, is a 15-day detox, and it includes 30 tea disposable bags, okay? So here is the bag. It's really, really pretty. So this is what the product looks like, okay? And in the back you will find the directions of how to properly prepare yourself a tea, okay? So this is 100% all natural, okay? It comes with 3 powerful ingredients. It's pure air tea, oolong tea, and green tea, which are well-known ingredients used to metabolize fat, debloat, and promote a flattery belly, okay? So right now, the recommendations are that you need to drink this tea 2 times a day, okay? That's why it's a 50-day detox process. You can see it here in the back. So I'm going to show you guys how to prepare the tea. So in this case, you will find the directions on the back, and the directions are: for best results, sit 15 to 20 minutes before meals, okay? Steep in light boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes, and repeat as necessary to reduce the cravings. So this will help you very much for those cravings in the middle of the night. So what I have here, a cup of water, with preheated water, and I'm just going to take a bag of tea. Here it is. I'm just going to put it in there. So you can add a little bit more flavor. I have here a cup of fruits. I have raspberries, blueberries, lime, and pineapple. So I'm just going to add this lime, and I'm going to add maybe a piece of pineapple. I really love pineapple. There we go. So I'm just going to let it rest for 3 to 5 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm just going to provide some tips that will help you in the process of drinking your Bikini Body Tea, okay? So, as we all know, detoxification means to cleanse the body of impurity. And the process is done in a few ways: through the liver, kidneys, lung, lymphatic system, and the skin. There are 3 natural processes that will help you detoxify the body. The first one is sweat. second urine, and the third is the digestive system, okay? So sweat. By sweating, we're releasing toxins through our skin. When you exercise, you increase your body thermal energy and temperature, which activates the sweat glands to cool your body off. So that will be the first one. The second one will be the urine. So it's very important to stay hydrated, and it's very crucial for the detoxification because your body needs something to expose the impurities and the toxins. So you should be drinking half of your body weight in ounces. As an example, if you weigh 150 pounds, you should be drinking 75 ounces of water every day at minimum. This is a minimum. So drinking water helps flush out the toxin build up in your kidneys and leaves the body through your urine. So the third one and last one will be your digestive system. So our system will empty a lot of toxins through the digestive system and the bowels. However, when the toxins are in your digestive system for too long, because of constipation, the toxins can be reabsorbed into your system, making it even harder to eliminate those toxins. So you need to put a little bit of effort here. If you are going to try the Bikini Body Tea, remember the Bikini Body Tea will be fighting the toxins that you ingest. Okay, so you need to stop getting a better diet, trying to prevent some specific foods that won't help you with the process. Okay. So also with the Bikini Body Tea, we'll be including a Keto Diet plan which will help you to start a healthier lifestyle. So right now I'm going to tell you what things to avoid, as I mentioned before. So first you need to avoid alcohol, refined sugars, gluten food, fast food, fried foods, because this can create new toxins. So your body will be deleting the new toxins, but the old toxins will stay in your body. So it's not working. The body tea won't work like that. So remember, put a little bit of effort in here, and that way you will see more results very fast. So in this case, by avoiding them, you are ensuring that the detox tea can do its job without trying to fight off new toxins from entering the body. So right now I think it's time to try the tea. Let's see how it tastes. It's really good. It's really good. So I'm really happy for this tea. I have tried it before with other fruits, and it's always the same. I'm very satisfied with this product. So I hope this information helps you to get better results. Thank you so much for watching this live stream. And if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate and contact us via Amazon messaging or through our social media. So our team will be very happy to assist you. So thank you very much for joining us, and stay tuned for more live streams. Goodbye.